I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, 10 degrees colder than normal in the upper 20s to the low 30s. We'll see cold high pressure build in tonight to clear out the skies, allowing those temperatures to dip into the teens with wind chills tonight in the single digits to just below zero. A warming trend begins tomorrow with westerly downslope winds off a ridge of high pressure. Highs tomorrow rebound into the low to mid 40s as the ridge of high pressure moves overhead. We'll see those daytime highs warm into the 50s for Sunday and President's Day. The mildest days are Tuesday and Wednesday with widespread highs in the 60s. Several disturbances could bring chances for mostly rain for Thursday through next Saturday. Only trace amounts to 1/10 of an inch are currently expected. Daytime highs drop back slightly to the low to mid 50s for Thursday. The month of February is likely to end on a very mild note. Much warmer than normal temperatures are predicted Wednesday through February 29th in Nebraska, Kansas, and much of the central and eastern U.S. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation Wednesday through February 29th is indicated to be near normal to slightly above normal. The monthly outlook for March was released by the National Weather Service. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures next month likely to be mostly seasonal or near normal. Mostly above normal precipitation is called for in Nebraska and Kansas next month. Those higher chances of moisture favoring central and western Nebraska, along with northwest Kansas. You can see those maps on our KRVN Facebook page. Key weather factors influencing the markets include a scattering of snow across the eastern U.S., rains becoming heavier in central Brazil, and lighter rains for Argentina. In the Corn Belt, colder air is replacing previously mild conditions. Highs today are below 20 in the far upper Midwest, with Fargo, North Dakota, expected to experience its first day with a daytime high below the 20-degree mark since January 20th. The focus for active weather gradually pushes from the central and eastern U.S. into the west. Today into the weekend, light snow spreads from the central plains to the mid-Atlantic coast, while rainfall from southern Texas to Florida could total 1 to 2 inches or more. Precipitation becomes heavy at times in California, with 5-day totals possibly reaching 4 to 8 inches in some coastal and mountain locations. Towards the plains and Midwest, several more quick-moving shots of mostly rain move through next week as temperatures trend above normal. Central and southern Brazil rain becomes widespread and heavy this weekend, delaying the soybean harvest and planting of second crop corn, but is beneficial for soil moisture. Southern Brazil is not wet for long as it turns unfavorably dry again next week. Argentina's soil moisture is increasing and crop conditions are stabilizing with the return of heavy rain. Rain in Argentina this weekend is lighter before a better chance for scattered rain the middle to end of next week. Overseas in Europe, the main storm track currently favors northern areas, but Spain received some welcome rain yesterday. Italy sees a better chance of rain this weekend. There's no risk of wheat winter kill since temperatures are forecast to be above normal through this weekend and early next week. Later next week, there are additional chances for rain in Spain and Italy. I'm Paul Perkins. That's a check of your ag weather.